Okay, we're recording. Hi. We're by ourselves, and somewhere behind us is Amber. In a very private moment that we don't want to intrude on.
At least she's looking at that.
Yeah, exactly. It's beautiful.
Well, she's having her moment.
Taking video.
Oh, it's raining. That's awesome.
We should point out we're by ourselves at this point.
Our guide has left us.
Yeah.
Our guide's left us.
We're hiking alone in the Andes for a brief while. Hopefully brief, unless we get
How you
lost,
doing
and
there,
then we're
Benny?
really in trouble.
I'd be better if my friends were jerk faces.
Oh. I think the altitude is making us delirious.
Maybe it's the altitude, but this is so much funnier. Success! Good day. Good day.
Good,
Hiking.
fabulous day.
All right.